Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today I am making chicken fry biryani. In a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil. Half kg boneless chicken. Salt as per taste. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Red chilli powder 2 tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Cook chicken until tender. Keep aside. Same pan, oil 4 tablespoon. Whole spices, shazira half tablespoon. Finely chopped onion 1 cup. Fry until changes color. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Two cups rice. Four cups water. Curd 2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Salt as per taste. Cook on high heat for 10 minutes. Now add fried chicken. Mint and coriander. Fried onion optional. Ghee or butter 2 tablespoon. Dum medium heat for 5 minutes. Yummy fried chicken biryani ready within 30 minutes. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Please comment any suggestions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.